What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. If the solid below is made up of cubes, each with a volume of 8 cubic centimeters, find the total volume of the solid. So what does this mean? It means that each one of these squares represents a full cube, but we don't get a look at this in three-dimensional space. We're getting a perfect view from the top down, looking straight down on it. Then from the side view, again, here's the side right here in that figure. Here's the side right here. And this is what it looks like from the side. And then we're looking at it straight on from the front. And again, the front would be here in those different views. Go ahead and hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play and I'll give you the explanation. So of course, the key with this one is we need to figure out how many cubes make up this entire solid. That's the whole idea. So we want to see what type of information we can extract from each drawing. For example, in the top-down view, right, and I don't know exactly how many levels this is so far, but in the top-down view, I see that at a minimum, it's a base of 6 cubes. So we know it's at least made up of 6 cubes, each with a volume of 8. Then we look at it from the side. Now this is interesting because if I'm looking at it from the side, I see it's no higher than 2 stacks. So that means now we're at a minimum of 6, but we're less than 12. But actually we can narrow it down even further because if it was a full top row, it would be 12. But in fact, I see that I can see straight through in this middle section here. So that means at most I can have 2 cubes on top here and 2 cubes on top here. That means it's 6 plus 4. So now we're in the zone. We're between 6 and 10. Okay, that's for the number of cubes. But then we get this really interesting front view. Okay, so again, the front, from this perspective, we're looking at it from there. From the top down, we're looking at it from here, right? So now we're looking at it straight on from the front, and I see that the entire left top row is empty, which means that it's only the right side that has anything on the top level, which means that these are not, as we said, at most 2 cubes on the top. It's only 1 and 1. This finally tells me that we've got 6 plus just 1 and 2, so we don't have 10, we don't have 6, we have a total of 8 cubes. And if the volume of each one of these cubes is 8 centimeters cubed, the total volume of the shape is going to be 64 centimeters cubed. Now, if you want to see what this solid would actually look like in three-dimensional space, here you go. So you can see again, it's got 2 on the top only, sort of in the front and in the back. And then the entire base is solid, right? So we have 6 on the bottom, 2 on top, 8 total, 8 times 8, 64, boom, done. I hope you enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. And if you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I will see you in the next video. Take it easy.